And staying with parent-related matters, because more support is coming for struggling parents in the country. Some of the initiatives will be rolled out this November at several of the country's primary schools. The details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
November is Parent Month, and stakeholders want parents to use the period to increase their participation in their children's life. This involves more social, economic, and emotional assistance. The role of parents is increasingly critical, given the options now available to children to find role models, be it good or bad.
Parents are not the only channel of influence in the lives of their children, and indeed today, the overwhelming presence of social media means that there are multiple voices bombarding our children with conflicting messages. We therefore have to be patient in helping our children wade through all of the noise to make the good choices for themselves.
As part of this month's campaign, caregivers are encouraged to enroll in parenting education classes. For stakeholders, the classes are needed because some people are simply bad parents and need to be taught how to be good parents. The classes will be hosted by trained professionals, including deans of discipline, social workers, and family life educators.
By December, we would have reopened 21 of these attached to primary schools, primarily across the country. And the fact is, all those atrocities we keep hearing about, all those things that are happening in our schools that ought not to happen, we believe if we have those strong partnerships, those other avenues are created for participation, then we'll have less of those.
CEO of the National Parenting Support Commission, Keisha Carr, in the meantime, is encouraging school leaders to change their reporting approach.
Because many times when parents are called, it's only to say something bad. We have to start calling parents for things that are good. Like, yes. Because that's how we're going to ensure that we have this positive relationship building.
This year's theme for National Parent Month is Participation for Purpose.
This is an intentional and targeted focus on the positive role that parents play and must continue to play in the lives of children.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.